Barrett, work for Nexus GB with exclusive distributors for Datakey Electronics. Datakey Electronics manufacture a range of portable rugged data carriers. Basically, we take industry standard memory chips, SPI, I2C, microwire chips. We overmold them to make them incredibly strong and rugged and portable. Effectively, you can sterilise these devices, you can run them over with a truck, and they will still work. We also make them mate in receptacles, so if you have the receptacle on your board, when you put the token in, it's like the chip is moulded onto your board and you can talk to it just like any other chip. The advantage is you can take it away and it's rugged. Great applications, cashless vending, unattended fueling, gets used as a crypto ignition, a key a lot in the military and government applications. Medical is another big area because these can be sterilised, so they can be used for limit use and applications like that. We also have a range of peripherals that go with these, development kits, so that an engineer can start to develop an application very simply and very cheaply, just using their own PC and take it from there. And because we only supply to OEMs, we work with them very closely, we can give them a lot of help, a lot of information, and also it can increase the OEM's revenue stream because we don't sell to their customers, they can sell the tokens to their customers.
My name is John Barrett, Managing Director of Nexus, a distributor in the UK and Ireland of the Datakey product. I want to tell you now about the use of the key in fuel dispensing, where large companies, whether they be transportation, Royal Mail, Parcel Force, those type of organisations would literally have a key to allow them to fuel their own vehicles and to ensure they're not fueling their wives or their sons' vehicles as well. Because the fuel pumps are out in the open, this product needs to be extremely harsh, and it can be usable in very wet conditions. You can even put the product into oil, shake it off, and it could still be used. That is the type of application because of the ruggedness of the key or token. These are used by in excess of 1 million users every day purely within the fuel dispensing industry here in the UK.
One of the things that a lot of people don't understand is that the memory standards that people think of have changed over the years. If you think about the SD form factor, it started out as MMC, which is now obsolete and unavailable. Then it went to SD, SD Micro, now SD Mini, and the latest thing is SD High Capacity, which is a different addressing scheme from SD. So if somebody had designed a system with an SD card, their customers could potentially put in an SDHC card and it won't work. So one of the issues with memory these days is a lot of engineers think that it is a standard, and the reality of it is that it is changing very rapidly as consumer products evolve. So there's a technical need for it to change rapidly, which is to grow the memory capacity, but there's also a business need, which is that the consumer memory manufacturers are having a policy of planned obsolescence, forcing their customer base, the consumers, to buy newer technology all the time, throw out the old technology. That's not a problem if you're only managing a camera that may cost £100, but if you're deploying some sophisticated electronics into the field, it can be a real issue if there are no compatible memory devices available for it. The way that Datakey products address this problem is in two ways. One is that we have a mating system that we have designed that we make available for a very long time. This mating system, for example, has been available unchanged since 1991. So it it will always have the form factor available to the OEM engineer. The other thing that we've done is we have taken the token and we have made a very large memory capacity, which is served with a set of software commands such as read file, write file, delete file, which are unchanged over the years. You don't have to do anything except these commands in order to talk to memory. So what we've done is we have removed the engineer from worrying about what memory is actually inside by managing it through a set of commands. So basically, what you can do with the Datakey Electronics product is integrate our product today, and then you're done with any support for the life of the OEM product.